Hi there, it's Heather. This is stage 2 of my art doll project. You can see here this is how she finished off last time. I put a bit of acrylic on her, some gesso so I could paint over her. I'm doing a bit of a sketch and I am going to add arms, but she hasn't got them yet. And this is how I wanted to progress with her body, and I'm going to paint it and also add some pencil work to it, so you'll be able to see in a moment how that goes. I mixed my own colour acrylics because I wanted something quite subtle to start with, and then I'm layering up some Inktense pencils on the top, and you'll see in a moment the absolute magic of Inktense pencils once you add water is just wonderful, the way they blend. So I'd highly recommend that. Very, very satisfying process, and I really enjoy doing it. So she's coming along nicely now, but I think it gets to this stage and I need to take regular breaks. So I'm going to film the next part in a few days because I just need to think about how I want it to continue. So as you can see here in the video, I'm just adding a little bit of definition to the face with the pencils. I decided not to add water to it at that stage, so I'm just basically making the eyes a little bit more bright and adding some details like eyelashes. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the second part of the process, and I'll be filming another part to show the embellishments and the hair in the next edition. Oh, and just a reminder, if you have enjoyed this process, please give me a thumbs up, it would really help. Thanks, see you in the next video, bye!